I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Matt Boys, the Managing Director for Pacgold. Matt, it is fabulous to have you back on. How are you, mate?
Yep, I'm very well and good to be back. Thanks very much.
Now, it's been about 4 weeks since we've spoken, and there's an awful lot that's happened in that space of time. I wouldn't mind stepping back to an announcement that came out on the 18th of August, where you announced a farm-in agreement for a gold-antimony project with Hard Rock. Mate, what makes this project so exciting?
Yeah, look, it's when I came on, the idea, one of my remits was to expand and build on the assets that we have, the asset base that we have, which is at the moment is only the Alice River Gold Project, and this asset, I think it's in the right space at the moment. It's a commodity which is getting a lot of attention. It's antimony, and some of the grades that have been found in these very limited amount of exploration that the guys have done to date have been outstanding. So you're looking at narrow veins, quartz and gold antimony hosted mineralization, outcropping at surface. It's within a new province, so basically you've got companies all the way along there now which are finding similar style of mineralization, and it's you've got up to 60% antimony at that surface, blocks of stibnite sticking out the ground. So it's a really good start for us. It's not an expensive farming for us, and it gives another string to our bow with regards to projects in northeastern Queensland. Sorry.
Now, moving on to an announcement that came out on the 28th of August, you announced that you had completed geophysics at your Alice River project. Now, I had a quick look at the announcement you put up, and it's clear that parts of the project are lit up like a Christmas tree. Tell me, what makes this survey so compelling?
Yeah, look, it's been we've been at it for now for 2.5 months on this survey. It's a big survey. So basically, we've extended the existing IP gradient array survey all the way from Victoria all the way down to the White Lion asset, which is we'll get onto in a second. So that's basically helped us outline probably 3 or 4 additional targets along the Alice River Fault Zone, which is where the central zone is, and basically where we're looking at most of the targeting for our exploration to date. And then we've got what I think is probably the most compelling and definitely the most exciting target on the whole property, which is the White Lion target. Now, the White Lion target was initially found in 2017 when the previous company flew an aeromag survey over the area. And they've got this beautiful donut-shaped anomaly, and everyone loves a donut-shaped anomaly. So we followed up over that. We've got a coincident IP gradient array chargeability high, resistivity low, which fits right in the middle of the donut. And then on top of that, we decided we'd do some pole dipoles. So basically a 3D, putting a 3D side to it, or looking at it in 3 dimensions. And we've got this beautiful sort of 1 kilometre by 500 metre wide bullseye IP chargeability anomaly sitting coincident with the northern edge of the eastern edge of the mag anomaly. So as a drill target, they don't get much better. It starts at about 50 meters below surface, it heads down to 250 meters, and we'll be clearing pads for those drill holes on the 4th of September, and we'll be starting to drill on the 7th. So looking forward to getting some news flow out on that one as well.
I know geos love to stick holes in the ground. Tell me, when are we going to see the follow-up program to this data?
Yeah, we'll be drilling on the 7th, hopefully. The idea is to put between 10 to 15 holes in. It's a big area. The anomaly and the mag anomaly itself is like 1 kilometre by 1 kilometre. So we'll be, scissoring and testing both depth and sort of also a cross strike potential on that, and that'll kick off in 10 days time. So I'm really looking forward to it. And the drilling rate we've got probably 130, 150 meters a day, so you can sort of pretty much calculate how long it's going to take us to get that program done. And if we start to see really good visual mineralization in that holes, we'll keep going. And I think, it is a compelling target. It's got gold associated with it at surface. You've got this magnificent looking IP chargeability high, coincident mag anomaly. There's not many things it can be besides a big sulfide body or something else. So we'll wait and see, but I'm really looking forward to this one.
I'm looking forward to future updates. I love it when the rocks come out of the ground. Matt, thank you so much for your time today, and hopefully we speak again soon.
Always a pleasure. Thank you, Shane.